So welcome to another beautiful special late lesson of Lingua Bridge under English First Additional Language. So today we are doing a simple informal letter which is slightly 180 to 200 words for the body of the letter. So we are going to actually talk about the informal letter, talk about how it is written, and talk about the structure actually itself. So what is very key and what you should consider when writing an informal letter, it is that you need to know what actually it is an informal letter. You need to know actually what language are you using in an informal letter or when writing an informal letter. So actually an informal letter, it is written to someone you know, someone you are close to, and therefore you need to use informal language, not like when you are writing a letter to someone who is an official or someone who's formal. That one actually it is a formal letter, meaning that you will use formal language, but this is a friendly letter which requires you to use informal language. And actually we are delving into the structure of the informal letter. The initial thing that you need to consider, it is the address. What actually address is this one? It is the address of the sender. You, as you are writing the informal letter to someone, this actually it is your address. You need to initially write your address. 87 Chartwell Mansion, Binney Street, Fairview, Johannesburg, 7898, which is the code, and then followed by the date. When are you writing this informal letter or the friendly letter? This actually it is that date, and then followed by the salutation. So now in most cases, as they are saying, using the recipient's first name, unless it is someone who's old. Like the differences are whenever you are writing this informal letter to someone like your peer or your friend, you'll use his or her first name when writing the salutation, unlike when you are writing this informal letter to someone who's old. That's actually the difference. Followed by the introduction. It was so good to see you last Saturday. Having you at my birthday party made my day. I realized again how much I've missed you and how much I love being with you. This actually it is the introduction. It is where you are introducing your aim of writing your informal letter. It is when you are introducing your friendly letter. So that is why we are saying it is an introduction. And then after that introduction, it is when now you are delving on the details, what actually your informal letter. So now the introduction, it is followed by the body, where typically it's about 1 or 2 paragraphs, depends on the length at which you are writing. I opened my presents on Sunday and was blown away by your fantastic gift. After all this time, you remembered my favorite author. I didn't even know that he had written a new book. Do you remember how we used to read his other books at the same time and race to finish reading first? After that, we had all those conversations about who we liked most in each book and whether each book was better than the other one. I can't wait to start reading this new one. I will think of you each time I pick it up. So now this actually it is your body, or this actually it is the body of your friendly letter or your informal letter. This is where actually you are delving into the details, you are delving into the information, you are delving in deeply, because remember, you are taking it from the introduction. Whenever you were introducing this letter, you were actually telling the receiver or the recipient what actually was the aim of you writing this informal or this friendly letter. So in the body, or considering the body, now we are addressing each and every detail that made you write this letter. And then another thing that you need to consider, it is the separation of your paragraphs. You need to skip lines from the address. Moving from your address, you need to skip a line, going to a salutation, another line, to your introduction, another line, to your body. After all, the excitement of looking forward to my birthday and planning my party, it be hard to get back to school and to start working again. The fun times seem to pass so quickly. That is actually the second paragraph of your body. And then moving from the body, you are now going to the conclusion. So now actually when going to your conclusion, we must keep in touch and not let such a long time pass before we see each other again. Good luck with your exams. Now actually you are summarizing up, or you are summarizing, and you are concluding your informal letter in a short way, which was actually 2 lines. And then going to the valediction. An informal valediction, you use the sender's first name, you as the writer. With love, Jessica. With love, Vusi. Your friend, Masombula. Like that and like that. So it was actually an informal letter, the structure of the informal letter, and then how it is written. So you are expected to, or when you are instructed to write an informal letter or a friendly letter, you are expected to write something like this, as I was explaining. Short and very simple. Thank you.